Okay, so we will be doing some fidgets today. I am sorry that I haven't posted in like 2-3 days, but yeah, let's get started. First was a snapper. I have a short about this. I have shorts about this. So, well, one short. But please go check that out. Alright, next one, we're going to do a duck. And yes, I started out on the good side. The only one that actually has like a really good side with the other side is this one, or a okay side. So let's pop this guy. And yes, this is a lot, I can tell. This is a lot. Boom. So then okay, yeah, this duck, we're just gonna, just horrible. Now, the more satisfying side. See? This one's okay for a different side. Okay. Now all of this, which makes not even one sound, or is satisfying for your fingers. So, we're just popping this. Oh. Okay. It is popped. Pop. Pop. This is the all satisfying side, at least for the poppets. So we'll start back up with this guy. I'm sorry I don't have any more fidgets. I might get a few more, but wait, what? Okay. I might get a few more. And like in every video, I am looking through the camera and not my eyesight. So it's because I want to know where everything is and the best for you guys. So, boom. All those. Snapper. Oh. If people don't have snappers or don't know this, snappers, things can get touched and kind of stay together 1 second. Let it happen. Just does it randomly. And of course, while you're doing a video like this, they get stuck together, and then and they pop out. Okay, we're gonna save the best for last. And yes, I'm chewing gum. Okay, well, I will promise you get more fidgets. I promise you I'll get more fidgets, and I will, yeah. But I promise you I'll get more fidgets, okay? So start, wait. Can't pop it if this side hasn't been popped. I know I don't have a bunch of fidgets, but I'll get some more. I have a few poppets. Yeah. Oh, no, I popped two. Okay, there we go. Start off with this guy. Flip this guy real quick. Oh, I'm sorry. I accidentally covered the thing with my finger. And I've never said this, but please subscribe. I have no subscribers, and I'm only a starting off channel. I really like I really would love if I could have just a few subscribers. Please like, subscribe, and view. Please. No, but I really would appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. Now, I am starting off YouTuber. And I just want to have a few subscribers. I don't want to be like Mr. Beast. Oh, also shout out to him. Mr. Beast, if you're watching this, I'm a huge fan. I don't want to be like him. I only just want to actually have fun as a YouTuber. I'm not in this for the money. I'm in it for having you guys. You guys are a very nice people, I bet. You guys are probably some friends of mine. I would love if you could like, subscribe, and view. I would so love it. And go check out my other videos. Some of them don't have me actually saying stuff, but some of them do. And I think we're going to pop these things one more time, and that's going to end the video. Alright? Okay. Okay, so first, okay, flip. Boom. Alright. Oh, wait. Okay, snapper a few times. I have a few tutorials on here, so please go check those out. And goodbye, and thank you. Please like, subscribe, and well, I don't know if my comments are on yet, but please like, subscribe, and view. I would really appreciate it. Goodbye.